Hello. Today we're going to look at how to express numbers, dates, and time correctly in English. There are some important considerations when we're considering numbers. The first thing is spelling. If you have a number between 0 and 100, for example here 34, we put a hyphen between the two numbers, so 30 hyphen 4. When we say numbers, we do not put an S on any number that's 100, 1,000, million, billion, etc. if you are speaking about a specific number. So in this case, I would say 700, not 700s, 752. You can also say 752. It's okay. We're going to look at some more ways of saying numbers. In this case, I could say 1200 or 1200. Again, there's no S on 1000 and there's no S on 100. This next one, 37,000. Notice the spelling with the hyphen. No S on 1000. 936. Again, no S. When you get into larger numbers, it's easier just to break them down into separate segments. So this one would become 178,005. 964,000, no S, 846. Then we get into even larger numbers. 2 million, again no S, 937,000, hyphen if you're spelling it out, 312 or 312. When we express monetary values in English, we put the $ in front of the number. But we say $54, $28.99. And if you're doing a phone number, if you're talking about a phone number, we often take the number 0 and say it as O. And you can say 0 as well. It's more common to say O. So in this case, the phone number is 450-372-6614. This is the phone number of the CIGEP. When we say the date, it's often easier to also break things into segments. So in this case, I say 1988. We do not say 1988. We separate the numbers. But once you're in the 2000s, you can say 2011. 2011. She was born on February 2nd, 2011. You notice here, February 2nd, 2011, I say second, S-E-C-O-N-D, but I do not write the little number here at the top, the ND at the top. Or for example here, May 1st, 1995. Some people do write May 1 ST, but you don't need to, and it's probably better not to. The COVID pandemic began in 2019. When we talk about time, if you look at a traditional clock, anything that goes from the minutes from 0 to 30, we say after or past. So 6:10, we can say 10 past 6 or 10 after 6, or of course you can just say 6:10. 4:25, you say 25 after 4, 25 past 4. When you have a 15, we say quarter. So quarter after 7, quarter to 8, etc. And then when your minutes go from 31 to 59, so back up towards the full hour, we say 2. So 8:35 would be 25 to 9. It means 25 minutes until the hour of 9 o'clock. And 10:55 would be 5 to 11. Of course, you can say 10:55 or 8:35. That's fine as well. Other things about time is that we use the words o'clock when we have whole numbers. So 7 a.m., 7 o'clock. So I could say, I got up at 7 o'clock. It's more common to say that than to say 7 a.m. And in English, we don't use military time like we do in French. So 1500 hours, which is what we would say in French. In English, we say 3 o'clock or 3 p.m. When we have like noon, that's 12 o'clock at lunchtime. Midnight is 12 o'clock in the night. Half past, quarter to, quarter after. But we do not say midnight 30. We say 12:30 a.m. or 12:30 p.m. There is a lot more to know about numbers, and I will be giving you a sheet so that you can see this for yourself, but I hope that you have understood and will be able to say numbers correctly. Thanks.